Very short video on how to install SQLite. SQLite's really nice because you can take and install it on your flash drive if you want. Otherwise, you can install it also on your computer if you want. Okay, here's the link right here. Now, I've got a PC, so I really can't show you how to do it on a Mac, okay? But what I like is this portable app right here. Click on that. It takes and downloads, seconds left. Here we go. Click on that. And I'm going to say next. And I'm going to browse. And here I can actually put it on my flash drive because my flash drive runs around with it all the time, okay? And so if I say OK, and so I say install like this, it'll take and install on my flash drive. Or once again, you can put it on your computer, wherever you want to put it. And once we're all done, let's go ahead and run it. I'll show you how to run it. Close that down. Okay, now I go to my flash drive here, or wherever you installed it. And I installed it right here, SQLite reader right there. That's that one right there. I actually got it loaded ready. Here it is right here. Once again, like I said, it's a nice little program because you can take it with you if you put it on your flash drive. Once you're done, there it is right there. You can watch the next video to see how to use it.